Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope y'all are having a great day. I sure as hell ain't. Got a trucker down. Trucker down! Yeah, I'm telling you, I'll tell you right now, I hate Miami. I despise Miami. I can't stand Miami. Every time I come to Miami, shit goes wrong. Case in point, this time, I'm down here in Miami. My NOS sensor shits the bed. For those of you who don't know what a NOS sensor is, it's part of the after treatment system. It measures the amount of soot and nitrogen and gases inside your exhaust as it's coming out of the turbo and before it goes in. It's called the upstream NOS sensor. You have a downstream NOS sensor that measures the gases that's coming out of your DPF filter. But anyways, my upstream NOS sensor shit the bed. It completely gave up the ghost. I am in 40% Derate. And for those of you who don't know what Derate means, it means I'm not moving shit. I'll be lucky if I get this truck up to 4 miles per hour. Ah man, life sucks right now. And I'm at the receiver's location, so that's a good thing. At least I made it here. Still waiting to get unloaded, but that's about all I can do with this truck. But the good news is that we are trying to figure out how to get me out of here. And as you can tell, I'm on my fifth monster. What time is it? It is 9:43 in the morning, and I am on my fifth monster. I am up, and I am going at it. This is like cracking again, I tell you what. So, I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to Uber or attack, or am I getting a tow? I still got to figure that out. It is something new and not so interesting. Stay tuned. I will keep y'all up to date and keep you posted. We will figure this out together. Like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, like, subscribe, hit the bell, ring the button, hold the handle, and follow me on every social media that I exist on.
Rest now, old engine. Rest now. Rest now.